শুরু করো।
Hello everyone, I am Jonathan Naim and I am excited to share a glimpse of my journey with you. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor in Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Daffodil International University. I have completed my HSC from Yasin Gop College, Faridpur and HSC from Nanandia JM High School, Norkanda. My passion lies in power plant and electronics engineering. I am skilled in unity transmission system that allow me to bring my creative vision to life in electrical engineer. I am fluent in multiple languages including Bangla, English, Hindi. Being involved in collective efforts is something I am really enjoy. Thriving in a team environment. I have been part of various projects, one of which is solar hybrid inverter project where I honed my teamwork and problem solving skills. Within the university, I am active member of service several clubs like Tripoli Club and DIU Robotics Club. I have gained valuable insights and experiences in various domains. Additionally, I have actively contributed to events such as Parents' Day and the Art of Living Festival, showcasing my commitment to community involvement. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me a little better. The least I am a learner and I will keep learning. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my skill and passion. Let's create something amazing together. And that's it.